My name is Phillip Banda from Zimbabwe Red Cross Society, Mashonaland East Province, Dombotombo District. The climate or environment-related problem we are focusing on is on lack of real-time and early warning information to communities on climate change. And our innovative idea to tackle it is Climate Action Now, your real-time and early warning action hub. Our planet is facing a climatic crisis leading to a climate emergency with signs visible from melting glacier to extreme weather events. What caught my attention is that the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration confirmed a strong El Nino event occurring between the month of October 2023 and March 2024. However, understanding these environmental shifts requires more than just observations, but action. Regardless of their observation, communities were affected by El Nino. The anticipated outcomes included the delayed onset of rainfall and prolonged dry spells, which significantly impacted food production and disrupted food supply chain among communities in Zimbabwe. Now we are combining the power of ICT with immediacy of radio. Our podcast, Climate Action Now provides timely and actionable insight into climate change impacts and solution as well. With our integrated mobile application, listeners receive real-time early warning alerts for climate events, expert advice, proactive measures, and practical steps to safeguard their communities and livelihoods. Our design process involved identifying community needs through research, community and stakeholder engagement. We began by understanding the specific needs of our targeted communities. We then engaged stakeholders, including local residents, government officials, specifically Forestry Commission and EMA, as well as environmental experts such as Clean Marondera, a CBO in Marondera, and Friends of the Environment run by Nyaradzo Group, to gather insights on the design of our prototype. We clearly defined the problem our podcast and mobile application aims to address, focusing on the gaps in existing early warning systems and the real-time information needs of the community. The key considerations throughout the process included user-centric design, where we ensured the prototype is designed with the end user in mind, prioritizing usability and accessibility. We also looked at data accuracy and reliability, so that the information provided by the system is accurate and reliable, as it directly impacts effectiveness of warnings. Then we included scalability, security, and privacy. We then moved to the implementation and deployment, which involved pilot testing. We conducted the pilot test in a controlled environment with a select of users to evaluate the effectiveness of a prototype. We then monitored its performance and also gathering feedback on its functionality and usability. We started with capacity building to ensure that users are trained on how to use the system and that they are well informed about the environmental shifts occurring in their local communities. Our impact and key findings included user engagement and adoption, system performance and reliability, user interface and experience, effectiveness of early warnings and its community impact, as well as feedback. We discovered that the users showed a strong engagement with the early warning alerts and appreciated the real-time updates. However, some users struggled with the technology due to limited digital literacy. High engagement indicates that the prototype effectively meets the need for timely information. However, addressing the digital literacy gap is crucial for a broader adoption. We also learned lessons in line with enhanced user training and support, addressing connectivity issues, expanding features and accessibility, simplifying information presentation, balancing alert frequency and improvement. We learned that providing comprehensive training and support is crucial for users, especially in areas with limited digital literacy. We will develop training materials, conduct workshops as an improvement, and offer ongoing support to ensure users can fully utilize the system. Connectivity and data latency issues can impact the reliability of the system. Therefore, we will explore alternative communication methods such as an SMS-based alerts and improve infrastructure to enhance connectivity and reduce latency. Improvements include incorporating offline access and user customizable alert settings to meet diverse needs and preferences.